Hello, welcome to Newyear News. This is Nirvana with a live update about COVID-19 in the world. The death toll from the new coronavirus has surpassed 5,000 in Europe, the new epicenter of the pandemic, with Italy, Spain, and Germany reporting a steep rise in infections as worldwide fatalities surged past 11,000 on Saturday. Italy announced 627 more deaths on Friday, the biggest day-to-day increase in the country's 4-week epidemic. A day after surpassing China's death toll, the total number of deaths in Italy has now reached 4,032. Spain's death toll also increased to more than 1,000, while in Iran, the number of fatalities hit another grim milestone of more than 1,400 as the country marks the beginning of the Persian New Year. An estimated 235,000 people have been infected by the coronavirus globally, and close to 10,000 have been confirmed dead, according to the World Health Organization. But the data collected by the Johns Hopkins University in the United States show that more than 260,000 have already been infected in 166 countries, while 87,000 have recovered, mostly in China where the outbreak first erupted. Some major headline. Kuwait announced 5 more recoveries from the new coronavirus, beginning the total number to 27. Iran president expects restrictions to ease within 3 weeks. UAE confirms first 2 COVID-19 deaths. Turkey beefed up its measures to stem the spread of coronavirus in the country, including new steps for hotels, restaurants, dormitories, and nursing homes. In Kazakhstan, where 52 cases have been confirmed, authorities said they were closing all parks in Almaty, the country's biggest city. Jordan blew sirens at the start of a nationwide curfew limiting the mobility of its 10 million citizens indefinitely to combat the spread of the Philippines Department of Health announced on Saturday 32 new cases of coronavirus in the country, pushing the total number of cases to 262. Australian officials closed Sydney's iconic Bondi Beach on Saturday after thousands of people flocked there in recent days, defying social distancing orders to prevent the spread of the coronavirus amid an unusual warm autumn spell. The first fatality was a 75-year-old female Singaporean, while the second victim was a 64-year-old man from Indonesia. At least 16 patients are in critical condition, the health ministry said. Before the announcement, there were 385 cases confirmed in Singapore. 131 of them have recovered. Mexico's health ministry said on Friday that confirmed coronavirus cases in the country now total 203, up by nearby a quarter from the previous day's tally of 164. According to Reuters news agency report, the virus outbreak's epicenter of Wuhan in China reported no new or suspected cases again after a third consecutive day. Cuban President Miguel Diaz-Canel says the country is temporarily burying tourists in order to prevent the introduction of more cases of coronavirus, the Associated Press news agency reported. US President Donald Trump announced on Friday he had put the Wartime Defense Production Act into action to avoid the fight against coronavirus, after saying earlier this week he would invoke the measure when needed. The measure is meant to allow the US government to spread production of masks, respirators, ventilators, and other necessary equipment. The US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has reported 10,491 cases of coronavirus, an increase of 3,404 cases from its previous count, and said the death toll had risen by 53 to 150. International Desk, Newyear News.